Got the PK going, cooking up some JalaPopChicken. That's stuffed chicken breast with a jalapeno popper in it, wrapped in bacon. Sweet. Let's take a look. Oh, don't that look nice? Got 3 of those bad boys and a little hickory over there, smoking away. Should be nice. Alright, we'll check on it. We'll see when it's done. Okay, back at the PK. My JalaPopChicken reached 160. And I added a little blend of Mexican shredded cheese on there. Gonna let that melt, pull it off, and ready to eat. Alright, guys. Looks good, don't it? See you in a bit. Okay, pulled those boys off. Looking good. Gonna bring them inside and eat. Cut one open and let you see it. Alright, later. There it is, some JalaPopChicken. Stuffed chicken breast with a jalapeno popper. Stuffed with cream cheese, wrapped in bacon, and some shredded Mexican cheese. Nice.